Hey, CES, we've been around all day and now we're at a private event. And if you're looking to have children in the near future, something brilliant is coming, especially when it comes to car seats, because you got to make sure that they're protected at all times, right?
Correct.
And
Yeah.
I have Sharon here that's going to tell us all about the Evenflo baby car seat. What's so special about a car seat?
Well, car seats have to be safe not for starters, but what's special about this car seat is in addition to being safe for baby, it's got SensorySoothe technology. So it is the first car seat with the soother integrated into the car seat.
So when you say soother, what does that mean?
Yeah, so we're using lights and sounds on this handle to calm a fussy baby in the car.
Okay. So then what else does it do? Because, I mean, I know you just said it's the first one to have a soother,
yeah.
But you said lights and sound. Like, tell us more about what else can it do?
Yeah, so it's almost infinite what you can create via the Evenflo app to create custom scenes for any child.
Hold up, a car seat has an app? Like
it does, yeah.
Oh, all right. So how does this app work?
Yeah, so you can go into the Evenflo app via Bluetooth and connect your SensorySoothe enabled car seat and choose between light effects. I'll show you as I do some here. So I can choose a single color light, which I'm going to change.
So we're going to turn it here this way, so that way they can see it. And
yeah,
the
that's
car
a good idea.
Right here, right?
Yep.
And then you select whatever color, and then it's
changing there. Yep. And then I can choose palettes of colors. So maybe I want to do something like a rainbow. But then I can also do effects with the colors by selecting here. Sorry, doing it upside down is kind of funny. So this is a campfire effect.
Wow. Okay. So this keeps the baby's attention. So maybe if the baby's crying, it'll stop because it's seeing the lights change.
And it varies by child. An older child may respond better to the lights. A younger child may respond better to the sounds. So you can choose combinations as well.
Okay, so now let me ask you, you said sounds. So tell us, what does the sounds do?
Yeah, so you've got ambient sounds. So a newborn baby is most responsive to white noise. So you can turn on white noise when you put them into the vehicle to keep them calm, as well as all kinds of nature sounds. You've got lullabies available here as well.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
We do have twinkle, twinkle. We have all the favorites.
Okay.
We did our research.
Okay.
And then we have entertaining sounds. So we had a 2-year-old girl. She wanted something a little bit more fun. Okay. So we've got Old McDonald, we've got Bingo.
B-I-N-G.
Can you imagine them in the back seat? They're gonna start singing.
So mom is like really cool because now she can focus on driving and not have to worry about the baby in the back. Okay, I'm feeling all of this. Okay, so we got sounds, we have lights, and then now there's another feature that allows it easier for the baby for you to put the baby
in. Yeah. So this car seat also has rotation, so you can turn it when the base is installed. You can turn it towards you if you want to take baby out of the car.
So now, instead of reaching into the car like this to put the baby in,
exactly.
You literally rotate it, and then you can literally just
put the baby in
and then rotate it.
And if you can even turn it away from you, on this slippery tablecloth, because that makes it easier to reach the lever to remove the car seat from the car.
Nice. Okay. Now this is really sexy and all for a mom or a single dad or maybe even a couple. How much does this cost? Because, I mean, you're talking about car seat.
Yeah.
Like, is this expensive?
Kind of hard to believe, but you can get SensorySoothe on a car seat for as low as $259.
And it comes with the base?
And it comes with the base, yeah.
Wow.
The rotating base goes up in price a little bit, but the standard base model is $259.
Okay. All right. So you also have another cool product that's for the car.
Yeah.
But then now you have to go grocery shopping or you got to go to the mall or you got to go somewhere. We're going to slide over here. Then you have a stroller.
So that's called a travel system. When you buy a combination of the infant car seat and a full stroller, what you don't see here, you also get the toddler seat. So the infant car seat comes out of the car and goes onto the stroller, and it just clicks in place.
And then at the bottom you have where you can
storage basket,
you put diapers, you can put groceries or whatever, or maybe even a few shopping bags up underneath.
And you can still use SensorySoothe on the go.
The only thing it's missing is some rims.
Look at those fancy bronze rims.
Okay. I'm not knocking it. All right, so $269 for that one.
$259 for the
$259. I'm sorry. And then how much for the stroller?
This one starts at $649.
Starts at $649.
Yeah.
All right. I need to look into that camera right there and tell everyone why Evenflo should be the new toy, the new thing for that newborn baby.
Yeah, because, well, SensorySoothe should be the most important thing for a new parent, because if you've ever been driving and there's a baby crying in the back seat, that is a nightmare of a situation. And it is safer for everyone if there's a solution to calm baby in the back.
Now, one quick question that I have. Of course, it fits newborns, but how old can they be? So how old will it be before they outgrow the...
Yeah, it actually goes by fit or weight. So this will go up to 30 pounds.
Up to 30 pounds.
Yep.
So it doesn't matter how long or tall they are, as long as they're under...
Tall matters. You don't want their head... There are some height requirements. You don't want their head going...
Me, I wouldn't be able to get in, but a newborn baby...
Yeah.
All the way up to about a few months.
Yeah.
How many months would you say?
As old as 2 if it's a small child.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So what's the website once again?
Evenflo.com.
All right. I told you something brilliant is coming, and it's with the Evenflo Lab Tech Show. Tallboy, Sharon, we're gone.
Thank you.